Prashant sir, your physical education teacher. Today's our topic is cricket. So we have Praveen sir with us. He is a professional cricket coach. So he will teach us basics cricket skill. So let's start.
We'll start with neck up and down. Okay, slowly up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then left and right. 1, 2, 3. Go slowly. 4, 5. Then half semicircle downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Single hand rotation. Keep your both one hand here for support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand change. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, change. Now shoulder up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now hold your left hand. Okay, hold your left wrist like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The downside, same hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. So keep the distance between two legs sideways. Okay, take a left hand on the right side. Take a right hand on the left side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, change. Now side bend. Both the side. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. Now change. Now both hand alternate toe touch. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, change. Now what you have to do? Just hold your left knee up like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. The right leg. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now hold your left ankle like this. Okay, from behind. 1, 2 and stretch on the front side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now right leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Now change. Now stretch your leg. Okay, now what you have to do? Stretch your leg. What you have to do? Bend your left leg. Keep your right leg straight. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same position but on your toes like this. Okay, keep your body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Now bend your right leg. Keep your left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same position but on your toes. Keep your body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. Relax. First we are going to learn how to hold the bat. Usually I have seen so many students, they directly hold the bat and they just start to play. Okay, but this is not a way. If you want to play a professional cricket, okay, you have to learn how to hold the bat first. What you have to do? You have to just keep the bat down. Okay, you have to keep the bat down. Just stand in front of the bat. Okay, just stand everyone for front of the bat. Okay, at one step, okay, at one attempt, you have to hold the bat directly up. Suppose this is I am lefty. Okay, so how will hold? See, at one attempt. Okay, in one attempt I have to hold the bat. Again I put it down. Okay, just stand in front of the bat. Again, one attempt. Okay, don't do like this. Okay, first with one hand, then second hand. This is wrong. Okay, with one attempt you have to hold. Okay, like this. See, this is the holding positions of bat. Okay, everyone. Same with the right hand also. Same with the right hand also. Okay, suppose you're righty. Okay, same. Keep your bat in front of you. Okay, don't keep it like this. Okay, this is wrong. Just keep your handle in front of you. Okay, same as it is. You have to stand front of the bat. Again, at one attempt, you have to hold the bat. See, at one attempt. See, this way. Again, keep it down. Again, up. So, at least 10 times you have to do like this. Okay, keep it down. Stand straight. Go down. And at one attempt, you have to hold. Okay, same for righty and same for lefty also. Okay, so this way you have to hold the bat. So now we are going to learn defense practice. Okay, how to do defense practice? You just see. Okay, just see. There are 3 stumps. Okay, you have to just stand. Suppose you are lefty or righty. Okay, suppose if I am lefty, I will stand in front of the leg stump. I will tap the ball. Okay, if I want to do defense, so how to do a defense? Suppose the ball is coming, I have to take your one leg out. Okay, take your bat from the up slowly close to your body. Okay, if you are taking your bat from outside, so suppose the ball will spin, so directly will go from inside. So what you have to do? You have to defend the ball. If you want to touch the bat with the ball. Okay, what you have to do? Just take the bat up close to your body, slowly up, and you have to stop the ball here. Just make sure your bat should be front of your leg. Okay, you cannot take your bat behind your leg. Suppose ball will spin, ball will come and tap your leg, so it means will be a out. So what you have to do? Take a leg, take a bat in front of the bat. So you have to defend the ball like this. See, 1. Again I'll show you with the tapping. Okay, see like this. 1, tap the ball. 1, 2 means stance, and 3 means defense. Okay, again I'll show you. Tap. 1, 2 means stance. Okay, then 3 means defense. So this way you have to do the defense practice. Okay, same as it is for righty batsman. For righty batsman also same. You have to stand in front of the leg stump. Okay, tap the ball, tap the bat. 1, take the stance. 2, and take a leg out. 3, and defend the ball. Again, tap the bat. 1, take a stance. 2, and do the stance, defense. 3. So this way you have to do defense practice. Now for defense practice, what you have to do? You have to take one ball, keep it here in front of with you. Okay, in offside. Suppose I am lefty, I am standing on the leg stump. You have to keep the ball on the off stump. Okay. Again, tap the ball, tap the bat, take the stance, slowly take a leg out in ball line. Okay, and then you have to stop the ball here only. Okay, don't hit, just stop the bat. Okay, like this. Same as it is, you have to do 10 times. Okay, you have to do 10 times like this. 1, slowly go back, take the stance, take the position, check your position. 2, again come back, take the stance, check your body position. 3. So this way you have to do 10 times at least. Okay, same as it is for righty batsman also. What you have to do? Keep your ball on the off stump. Okay, here stand on the leg stump. Okay, tap the ball, check your body position, take a leg out, and defend the ball. 1. Again 2. Same you have to do 10 times each side as per your body, as per your position. If you are lefty or if you are righty, 10 times you have to do. Now we are going to learn drive practice. Okay, for drive practice, what you have to do? You have to just drive the ball. Okay, there are so many drives: straight drive, on drive, off drive. Okay, there are 3 drive practices there. So what you have to do? Again, you have to just stand in front of leg stumps. Okay, in front of the leg stump. Again, tap the ball. Watch the ball. Okay, just imagine ball is coming. Just watch the ball. Take a leg out. Take it back from the up, and you have to drive the ball like this. And your stance will be like this. See the position. My second leg is behind, leg is on the toes. Your front leg is on the straight. Okay, little bit bend your knees, and both hand is up with the bat. Okay, like this. See. So you are just delivering the ball in front of the shot. So as per the ball line, you have to play the drive shot. Suppose ball is coming on the middle, you have to play the shot on the middle. So it will be go on the straight drive. Suppose ball is coming on the leg stump, okay, you have to do leg drive. Suppose ball is coming on the off side, you have to do off drive. So this way you have to do drive practice, okay. Same drive practice you have to do 10 times, okay. I'll show you how to do, okay, 10 times like this. See, take a stance, check your body position, okay, take a leg out. When you take the leg out, your back automatically coming out. This is your back grip, okay. If you play the back, if you keep the back here and playing, you will not get the power, okay. So always you have to take a back from up. So it will go the shot little bit harder, okay. Understood? So tap the ball back, check your body position, take a leg out, drive, take a back behind. Understood everyone? Again, leg out, drive. Okay, so now I'll show you the from right side, okay. Again same, take a bat up, okay, leg out, back coming up and drive. So this way you have to do at least 10 times. At least you have to do 10 times. Understood? See. Understood everyone? Relax. Okay, now we'll do bowling action in front of the ball, but without ball. How you do? You have to take just only one step and you have to do the bowling action in front of the ball. Okay, first we'll do the without ball, then we'll take the ball. How will you do? Just stand straight. Suppose I'm a lefty bowler. Okay, stand straight. Again you have to hold low your hand, target your second hand and you have to do the action. See like this. And one. This is your one time action. So without running you have to do, okay, stand straight, lower your hand, target your hand and action in front of the ball. So this way you have to do at least 10 times. See, 10 times like this. Again go back, stand straight, take your time, okay. Again lower your hand, target your hand and action. So this way you have to do at least 10 times. Okay, now we are going to do with the ball. Just stand in front of the ball. Okay, same as it is. Don't run. Okay, take a normal step. Okay, to one step and action. But don't throw the ball harder. Okay, it's a normal distance because you are doing just bowling action practice. Okay, because you are not doing on the nets. Okay, so what you have to do? Stand straight, hold the ball properly, load your hand, target the hand and just release the ball. And again catch the ball. Understood everyone? Same, load the ball, target your hand and release the ball. Okay, and again catch the ball. See, again load the hand, target your hand and action. Okay, just make sure your hand should be come to near to your ears. Okay, don't bend your elbow. If you are bending your elbow, it's a jerk. Okay, so keep your hand straight. Your hand should be come to near your ears. Okay, always. So again same, stand straight, load your hand, target your hand and do the action. So this way you have to do at least 10 times. Suppose I am a lefty, you can do with those who are righty, they have to do with the right hand. Okay everyone? Okay, I am giving you challenge with the bat and with the ball. What you have to do? You have to just hold your ball in your neck, hold your ball in the neck like this. Take a stance, okay? Take a stance, look straight, drop the ball and play the shot. Understood? Keep your neck here, keep the ball here on the neck, okay? Hold your ball like this, take a stance, okay? Drop the ball on the front side, okay? And play the shot. Okay everyone? I'll show you again. See. Hold your ball in your neck like this. Keep your body in the front side a little bit. Take a stance, okay? Drop your ball on the front side and play the shot. I'll show you again. See, hold the ball on the neck, okay? Take the stance, take your time, don't go fast, okay? Take your time. Take a stance, drop the ball and play the shot. Understood? This way you have to do at least 10 times.
Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the basic skills of cricket. I thanks Praveen sir to give his precious time, and you will practice the skills what Praveen sir has teach you. You will practice at home. So stay home, stay fit. Thank you.